What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So first, I just want to get into everything that's going on right now with us in the black community, and I just want to take a second out to just say, everybody keep your head up, because at the end of the day, like, God is in charge and every knee shall bow. And with all of this stuff that's going on, like, I know that it feels like, I don't know, it just feels like crazy, like, especially having like husbands and brothers and uncles and sons. Like, it's just so scary just not knowing, because it's like, regardless of how well you raise your child or how good the black man is, like, no matter what, they just a threat. Like, regardless, just because of their skin, just because of who they were born, like, it just doesn't even matter. And it's just so disheartening, and it's just so sad. And again, just keep your head up. We're going to continue to pray, because at the end of the day, he is in charge. And as long as he's in charge, that everything's going to be good, because they're going to get theirs. They're going to get theirs. Even if we don't see it, they're going to get theirs. The worst punishment is the one that he gives out. So people are going to pay for the things that they've done. Okay, now we get into the video. So today we are going to be talking about how to fix up your eyebrows when the nail salon or the threading shop is closed. So because of quarantine, my hair, please don't mind my hair. I know my hair look a hot mess, but I had to wear my Fight the Power, what's that thing called? Yeah, so I've been like doing stuff with my own eyebrows, like trying to look like a human being, So all you need is some Nair and some Q-tips. So you want to really look at the shape of your brow. Make sure it's neatly on the Q-tip, like so. You kind of shape your eyebrow. You got to add more than this. As so. You wanna let that work. Don't let that work. We wanna let that work. Let that work. So basically, I kind of just shaped it out the same way I would, like, if I was drawing my eyebrows on. When you put the concealer, you wanna do that same thing, pretty much. And then you gotta wait. You gotta be patient, because you gotta let the mirror work. Put in that work. Put in that work. So it's been 3 minutes. I done been texting my friend. I done glued my nail back on. And now we're gonna wipe this stuff off. And if you feel like you still didn't get everything off, like, I still see a little bit of that fuzz there, you can either use a tweezer and get the rest off, or you can just put a little bit more hair there, and that'll be it. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.